Hello everyone, welcome to our literature class. Today we will explore a very famous fable, The Three Little Pigs. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify the main characters, retell the story using sequence words like first, then, next, and finally. Now, before we start, think about this. What do you think this story might teach us about life or hard work? Ready? Let's begin our story journey.
Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs who lived with their mother in a small house near the woods. One day, their mother said, "My dear children, you are big enough now. It's time to build your own houses." The pigs were excited and started their journey. First, the first little pig built a house of straw. It was easy and quick, but weak. Then the second little pig built his house with sticks. It was stronger, but not safe enough. Next, the third little pig worked very hard to build a brick house. "It takes time," he said, "but it will be strong." One afternoon, a big bad wolf came out of the forest. He shouted, little pig, let me come in." "No!" cried the pig. "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down." The wolf blew the straw house down, sending straw everywhere, and the frightened pig ran to his brother's stick house for safety. But the wolf followed them. He knocked on the stick house door and said, little pigs, let me come in." "No, not by the hair on our chins," cried the pigs. "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down." The wolf took a deep breath and blew with all his might until the stick house collapsed into pieces. The 2 pigs ran as fast as they could to their brother's brick house. Finally, the wolf huffed and puffed, but the brick house stood strong. He tried to climb down the chimney. Splash! He fell into a pot of hot water and ran away. The 3 pigs danced and shouted, "We are safe! Hard work always wins." And from that day, they lived happily ever after.
Great job listening, everyone. Now, let's understand the story better. Here are the main characters. The first pig, lazy, built a straw house. The second pig, careless, used a stick. The third pig, hardworking and smart. The wolf, the danger or the problem. Now, let's recall the story sequence. First, the pigs left their mother. Then, they'll build their houses. Next, the wolf blew the first 2 down. Finally, they were safe in the brick house. Say it with me. First, then, next, finally. Let's try a quick order quiz. Put this in order. Excellent memory, everyone. Now it's your turn. Let's retell the story together. Repeat after me. First, the pigs left their home. Then, they built their houses. Next, the wolf came and blew them down. Finally, the pigs were safe in the brick house. Excellent! You can also write your version later using these words. That's your short speaking and writing practice. Let's check your understanding. Question number 1. Who are the main characters? Question number 2. What did each pig use to build a house? Question number 3. What happened at the end? You did great, everyone. You really understood the story. Before we finish, let's talk about the moral value of the story. The first 2 pigs took the easy way, but their house were weak. Meanwhile, the third pig worked hard and his effort kept them safe. Just like in real life, success doesn't come fast, but it's worth the effort. Always remember, doing your best every day makes you stronger and wiser. Let's review what we learned today. We learned about the main characters and story sequence. We practiced speaking using sequence words. We discovered the moral, hard work always wins. You can replay this video anytime to practice again. Thank you for watching and see you in the next literature lesson.